Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off animation effects in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Visual Effects and click on it. Now there's an option called as Animation Impacts Effects. This is enabled by default. You can disable it. You won't notice the difference immediately, but there are a lot of animation effects on the system, and they appear from time to time. But those effects will be gone if you disable it. But it will save a lot of system resources. It will increase your battery efficiency, and honestly I don't find those animation effects very necessary on Windows. It is just something that happens rarely, so you can disable it, but if you wish to enable it, you can also enable it using the same switch. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.